Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to perform the addition and subtraction operation on two or more than two matrices. So here I have already written some of the examples and we will try to solve this and we will learn how to add or subtract two matrices. So let's take the first example. So suppose these are the given matrix. So this is A matrix and this is B matrix. And if we will try to find out the order, so this is a 2 cross 2 matrix and this is also a 2 cross 2 matrix. Means there are 4 elements, 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. So to perform the addition operation on these two matrices, what we will do? We will add the subsequent elements. Like suppose A11 will be added to B11, A12 will be added to B12, and similarly A13 will be added to B13 and A21 will be added to A21 and A22 will be added to B22. So in this way we will add the subsequent element of the both matrices. So here A11 is 2 and B11 is 11. So we will add these two. So we will add this 2 plus 11, then 5 plus 0, then here minus 6 plus 2, this is 7 plus of minus 5, this is minus 5. And if we will solve this, what we will get? We will get 13, 5, minus 4 and 2. Now we will take the example of another matrix. So let's suppose we have to perform the subtraction here. So similarly during subtraction we have to consider the similar elements, means the position of elements should be same. So 2 minus 5 it will become minus 3, 3 minus 7 it will become minus 4, 1 minus 8 it will become minus 7, 5 minus of minus 2 it will become 7, this will become 4 minus 5, so it will become minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 it will become minus 3, 0 minus 0.2 so it will become minus 0.2, this will become 1 plus 2 it will become 3, 6 minus 5 is 1. So this is the result of subtraction operation on these two matrices. Now here this is the different example from the above these two. So we have to check the order of these matrices. So this is, there are 2 rows and 3 columns, so we can write the order of this matrix as 2 cross 3, and here are 2 rows and 2 columns, so we can write the order of this matrix as 2 cross 2. Since the order is not same, so addition is not possible. So this is the must condition to perform addition or subtraction operation on two matrices, that order of all the matrices should be same. So here this is not equal to this, it means we cannot add these matrices. In the last example we will try to add 3 matrices. We can add more than 3 also, but here for the simplification I have just taken the example of 3 matrices. So similarly what we have done for 2 matrices, we have added the elements of the similar position. So here we will add this 1, 2 and this position element also. So what we will write here, this will write 1 plus 2 plus 3. For the first row second column element it will become 2 plus 1 minus 1. So here it will become 3 minus 2 plus 6, and here it will become 4 plus 0 plus 7. So if we will solve this, what we will get? We will get here 6, this will become 2, this will become 7 and this will become 11. So this is the final answer. It is not necessary that we can only add, we can also just perform subtraction here, and in any order we can add any number of matrices. So this is how we have learned the addition subtraction of two matrices. I have also just designed a calculator to perform such operations, and I will provide the link of that in the description below. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. and please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is, link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.